What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So for Terra Luna Classic, I believe that we're going to see massive price movement for this position. Now, whether that comes with burning or it doesn't come with burning, I think we're still going to see the community that creates a lot of strength and, even more popularity within this position and where it can go. Sort of like what you see with a meme coin and exactly where that can go in the form of hype and attention. There's a lot of popularity and a lot of eyeballs that are on this position, Terra Luna Classic. And yes, we all want the repeg to happen. We all want the algorithm to be back in place. We all want to see this get to some of these higher levels of $1, $10. And, doing that would get us the algorithm and repeg back in place. Now, it's not a guarantee that we'll see that happen, but at least there's a little glimpse, a little glimmer of chance, of hope that we can see this get to that level of $1. There is a scenario out there to where we could see that happen. There's multiple scenarios to where we could see that happen. And I've always been open to saying that that is a case, right? That will always be the case, that there will be 1%, 5% chance that this could happen. 95% chance that it might not. But I do believe that there is a very, very strong percentage chance that we will see this hit a $50 billion market cap, that we'll see this skyrocket up to way higher market caps than where it currently is. It has a lot of strength and a lot of attention, and you saw what happened just in December alone from what could happen. And that's not even the max amount of volume that we could see flow through the crypto market. So imagine when we start seeing the max amount of volume that flows through it. You're going to see so much of the growth for Terra Luna Classic, and a lot of people that counted this out are going to be insanely wrong. And I'll start by saying this. There's some people, that will say there's no chance at all, and those people will still be around when it does surpass the levels that they believed it to get to, right? If they believe for it to get to 10% of a penny, or only get to 10% or 20% of a penny, and it absolutely flies past that, goes up to 50% of a penny and 1 cent and 2 cents, and then when it does get there, they're still covering it as if they knew that it was going to happen. Like, that's the type of thing that really just kind of grinds my gear, for lack of a better term. Like, I feel like if you are counting it out completely and saying this will never happen, you should stop covering it after it does. If it has a 0% chance that it will ever get past this point, then why do you feel like talking about it above it? And why do you decide to change your tune when you say that it will never happen? Makes no sense to me at all. I mean, I talk about everything that could possibly happen. It doesn't mean that it will 100% happen. So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Make sure you guys check out Margex if you want to start trading with leverage, which is a great platform that I've been becoming familiar with, that I've been liking. I like the 200 EMA, the 15 moving average, the dynamic updates of these indicators that you do have there, as well as, different indicators that they do have and different ways to draw on the chart if you're doing technical analysis, as well as the leverage trading, right? Leverage trading is a big deal. Because if you can trade with leverage, you're trading with other people's money. And trading with other people's money can make you a lot more money. It can also have you lose a lot more money. So make sure you guys are careful when you find certain places that are the right times to invest. And if you don't know what you're doing, make sure you test the market. Figure something out for yourself so that you can build the best strategy for yourself while you're trading and long-term investing. I'm currently up, like I said, 1,000%, over 1,000% for the last, honestly, well, since I invested into this, it's been like a couple of days, but I'm up over 1,000%. I'm very, very excited about what this can be. But like I said, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic in this video. Let's look at the price and where it is, and then give you my explanation as to why I believe it's going to get to a $50 billion market cap in this bull run. Doesn't mean that it will 100% get there. No. I have a strong feeling that it will get there, but it doesn't mean that you literally live off of just this investment. Know that before it hits a $50 billion market cap, I have 2 or even 3 different selling points that I'm going to pull my initial investment as well as some profit out as things do start to approach some of these levels. So anyways, like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and dive into this. So currently, Terra Luna Classic is at 5.5 or 5.6% up, and we're seeing it at 0.0001238, which is 1.2% increase overall, right? 1.2% of a penny, right? 1% of a penny. Now we're seeing that the price has moved quite a bit today from a low here of almost an added zero up to this level of 0.00012. If we look at the market cap, we're seeing a $724 million market cap with $78 million worth of volume. $78 million worth of volume and almost 100% increase in the volume. So that's absolutely fantastic to see. Now, I'm a big fan of burns. I want to see the overall burn amount happen. But if it doesn't, I still believe we have the popularity to get us to some of these levels to see a $50 billion market cap or maybe even further depending on the popularity. So do not sleep on this play. Really don't sleep on this play, because if you look at it, we have a ton of popularity here. If we look at December and what happened, in the last month, we saw this increase to a 2% of a penny level, right? And, approaching the level of 3% of a penny, halfway between where we were at the lows to the all-time highs for this lower area, right? Because this lower area that we've seen, if we go over the last, I want to scroll in. It doesn't let me scroll in. But if we go to the high over here where we were, it was 0.0006 all the way up there. And now we see it up here at 0.00027. So halfway between that point. And we are still technically at a low point in the market. We haven't seen the major movement that we were supposed to see overall with cryptocurrency. We're now seeing Bitcoin that's moving, but it's still not even past 50,000. And we haven't seen the trickle down to altcoins. And if we're not seeing the trickle down, we still have a lot of room to grow. We only saw that movement really in Terra Luna Classic, and a lot of people were hype. And the crazy thing is that we will see that again, and we will see that at an aggressive rate to where more and more people believe in what this position can be. But it would be accelerated if we had some sort of path forward. So if we knew exactly where we were going burn wise and decreasing the supply wise and, repeg and all of that stuff, if we knew that path, it would be accelerated and it would be a lot stronger. But right now, since we don't know that path, we went all the way up to 0.00027 and all the way back down to a level where we almost added the zero back, which is honestly crazy. So I truly believe that a $50 billion market cap will be a thing, right? Now, I'm looking at it for me and saying my belief is that I see, a 70% chance that that's going to happen. However, you may have a different belief, right? And I'm not saying what I'm saying is right. The things that I see and the popularity that I see really tell me that we're going to see this be worth a lot more than a ton of people think. Just because we're sitting down here for a while, we've been at a $1 billion market cap, $2 billion market cap. The highest point that we've been to in this lower area was like a $3.8 billion market cap. It doesn't mean that that's the only level that we're going to get to. There's so much more room to grow here. So many more people that are holding and believe in this position. And if a meme coin can be worth $90 billion, so can Terra Luna Classic. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Don't forget about MargX if you guys want to sign up for that and start leverage trading today. Feel free to ask me any questions you want over on Patreon. And I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.